Like, it's bouncy. Hi guys, welcome welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with another Luvmehair wig install. You guys, look at that hairline. Let's hop into this install. Hey guys, we're back with my favorite Luvmehair wig install. I absolutely love their wig line because the majority of their wigs can be worn glueless, meaning you don't have to glue them down to your head. So let me show you guys what comes in the box. So they give you this duster. Recently I've been keeping them because I like to store my hair in this bag. A melt belt, just in case you guys want to glue it down. They gave me a cute little ornament for the Christmas times. I don't know what this is, but we're gonna have to try this out. A wig cap. So let's put the wig cap on and then let's see what this thing is about. Oh, and then this is the wig. I'm gonna put it on straight out of the package. The curl pattern looks beautiful. It's like a closure but breathable inside. I like this little back end. Let's get it. So I'm currently just double wigging it up. When I say glueless, we're gonna just put her on. Wait, hairline. Do you see that hairline though? Like, okay. Hairline. Hairline. That's like no glue. I'm loving these barrel curls. It's bouncy, it's flowy. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I don't even want to run my fingers through it because the curls giving it to me, but just because we gotta see what we're working with, right? We're going to just briefly stretch it out with our fingers. These curls, I wouldn't even remotely know how to put these curls back. So I'm only going to spread them a bit. These curls. Wait. Baby, these curls are like popping. That's just me taking it out of the package, kind of, wow. I feel like I'm ready for a night out. I'm ready for a date. I'm ready for the red carpet. Like, it's bouncy. Then the hairline. The hairline is almost non-existent. This hair is gorgeous. Okay, so when I tell you guys, I absolutely love this curl pattern. It's so gorgeous. It's bouncy, it's flowy. It's like really giving it to me. I think that it's gorgeous. I love this hair pattern. I think it's absolutely phenomenal. It's gorgeous, it's stunning. And yeah, I literally put it on my head, finger comb the curls, and then this is what we got. You could put on a little bit of powder, but I think it's pretty seamless. I just have my edges slicked down. I know. This is cute. I am here for it. This is just what it looks like up close. Like, look at the hairline. Not glued.